Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In this video, I'll tell you how to make a profile on Google Scholar. Firstly, I will tell you what is Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a freely approachable web search engine. We provide a full set of scholarly literature. Also, Google Scholar you can search the books, abstracts, papers and the professional publishers, repositories, universities and other websites. Now I will tell you how to make profile on Google Scholar. In the search bar, type scholar.google.com. You can see that the Google Scholar Pro website has opened. For making a profile, you have to sign in Google. Select your Gmail ID and sign in with your Google account. Once you sign in Google account, you can easily make your Google Scholar profile. For setting a Google profile, click on My Profile. You can see that the various naming options are in front of the screen. You have to fill them one by one. First of all, your name. Affiliation, for example, I'm typing this affiliation as telecommunication. Then first you have to enter your email for verification, and on page there is no need. If you are a college student, then you have to type it. Here are the different papers of your name. You have to click and select your paper which is related to you. For example, I am selecting this one. Here are the some things that you want any emails for this paper review regularly, or you want to update it by yourself automatically. And you can make your profile public as well as private. You can make it public by clicking on this column, and you can make it profile by removing this. So right now I'm not making my profile public. Here is your profile which is on screen. Now you can see that the papers which are related to you, and these are papers to preview your profile, so you will see information here. Also you can see the amount of citations that the paper as well as publication of that you will see that the list of amount of citations of that paper as well as its publication, and Google tracking your citation over information and over time, and giving a various citation and disease as well as a list of your another account. If you want everyone to follow your account, you have to make your profile public by clicking on this make public profile. If you want to make your profile public, you have to click it on make public, and then people are going to follow you. And to follow, they will find the three options. They can follow your publications as well as they can follow your citations of your exciting publications, or they can follow your publications so that they let it work. What means they will receive emails automatically about these things without you having to do anything. So it is a good idea to promote your work. So let's make your profile public. See, your profile is now public, appearing in this blue yellow notification, and you can verify your email. You can add areas of interest, you can add your photo, completely profile photo. Here you can update your profile photo. These are the lectures or the papers. You can see that these are the authors of this paper and citations, and in which year you got the most review or the view. So here is your for this Google Scholar. This is the complete profile of your Google Scholar. Thank you. This is all for today's tutorial. If you have any query, you can mail us at nurserytovarsity@gmail.com. You can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.